Guys, I'm here to show you yung ano po yung mga skincare for my face lang. Actually, I'm 50 years old na. So, medyo mahirap naman po kasi we're exposed to sun and we are living in a tropical country. So, for the meantime, I'm using this one for my skin when I'm at work. I'm at work now. Actually, hindi ko na lang ipapakita. It's just one. I think you know already. The price is there pa. So, I have used this Neutrogena. Ganito. So, show to you. Hindi ako nag-kandito ha. And I'm using number 7, which is for my, I think it's like a serum. Matagal ko nang ginagamit to for almost like 9 years already. And the time was like when I was in the Middle East kasi nagtatrabaho ako doon dati. So, now I'm balik na ako dito sa Pilipinas. And I still use the same thing happen, which is I'm really like, happy naman kasi my skin are very sensitive. You know, I'm already 50, so look at my skin naman po. Hindi naman talaga kagandahan naman, an artist naman. But anyway, just to share you, and good morning po.